Dear scholars, through this video, I am going to explain one of the parts of speech, that is conjunctions. What is conjunction? Its definition is here. A conjunction is a word which joins words or clauses. It is a joining word. To whom it joins? So it joins words, that is two words and two clauses. Clauses means small sentences. So conjunctions are used to join them. How is it? Let us see with the help of given examples. First example, Sahil and Rohan go to school. Here Sahil is the first word, Rohan is the second word. These two words are joined using the conjunction and. So according to definition, conjunction join two words. So how this condition is fulfilled, that can be seen, that can be understood through this first example. Second example, Sahil is drawing a picture. This is the first clause, this is the first small sentence. Rahul is playing football. This is another small sentence or another clause. So these two clauses are joined using the word and over here. So the definition says conjunction join two clauses. So that condition is fulfilled in the second example. So I repeat, conjunction is a word that joins two words or two clauses in this way. So there are many conjunctions. So to know much about them, let me give you a trick to remember, especially the seven conjunctions. So you have to remember this word: fanboys. It is the abbreviation of seven conjunctions. Here F means for, A means and, N means nor, B means but, O means or, Y means yet, and S means so. So these are the seven basic important conjunctions. So you have to remember them using the trick given over here, fanboys. It is the abbreviation. So these are seven conjunctions. They are used to join two clauses and two words too. Let us see some more examples given below. It is, do you like cricket or football? So here are the two names of games, cricket and footballs. So these two words are joined over here. Which word is used to join them? It is or. So here in the first example, or is the conjunction. Next example, your parents will be happy. It is the first clause over here. If you study well, so you study well, it is the another clause over here, right? And this clause is joined using the word if. So out of the given seven examples, these are some other conjunctions. For example, here in the given sentence, that is if. Next, she has not come to school. This is the first clause. Because she is ill. So she is ill, it is the another clause which is joined, or sorry, here these two clauses are joined using the word because. So because is the conjunction over here. Next example, we played well. This is the first clause. We lost the match. It is the another clause. Both are disjoint using the word but. So here in the given example, but is the conjunction. Next example, tell him. It is the first clause. That we are going to the playground. We are going to the playground. It is the another clause over here, and both of these clauses are joined using the word that. So that is the conjunction. Next and last example, when you are at home, you should help your mother in her work. So it is the clause over here. You should help your mother in her work. And what about the words given in the beginning? When you are at home. So you are at home. This can be considered as the clause over here. So you are at home. It is the one clause. You should help your mother in her work. It is the another clause. And both of these clauses are joined using the word when that is given in the beginning. So here when is the conjunction. Same sentence can be written in another way. Let me tell you. You should help your mother in her work when you are at home. So the first part can be shifted on the second position and the second can be shifted to the first position. So in this way there are many conjunctions. So whatever told as fanboys, they are coordinating conjunctions, and here if, because, then that, and further when, these are called subordinating conjunctions. So I hope you all will understand the given information about the conjunctions in this video. So after after understanding the concept of conjunction, you have to do these sentences in the notebook.